In this video, you're gonna see a box truck try to attempt to run me off the Verrazano-Narrows Bridge, which is, in my opinion, vehicular manslaughter. I have two friends in the back, and we're just going over the bridge. All of a sudden, this guy starts speeding up when I put my indicator on. Now right here, I believe he's pissed off for whatever reason, but you be the judge. From what I hear, box trucks are supposed to ride in the middle lane as well. We're cruising at a roughly 40 miles an hour. The bridge speed limit is 45 miles an hour, so I'm within my speed limit range. Two buddies in the back. And here comes this insane driver. Look how close those tires get to my vehicle.
What the fuck?
And here's a shot from outside of the vehicle showing exactly what this idiot driver was doing. For absolutely no reason, pressing me up against the guardrail on the Verrazano Bridge.